Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a comment on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to select any post and click on the comment icon, and here you can find all your comments. And if you want to delete any comment, you simply need to hold comment for a while like this, or you simply need to hold that like this, and then you need to click on the icon in the top right, and you can see that comment is deleted. So this is a process by which you can delete comment on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.